Welcome to Absolute ERP. In our previous video, we have shown you how to classify your inventory types. In today's video, we will cover how to define multiple levels of inventory. Main purpose is, you will make your inventory more accurate by defining it on numerous levels. If you want to define multi-levels of inventory, you'll go to our setting part. This is our backend page. Click over Setup and Preferences tab. On the left-hand side, you will see Items tab. Click on it. Now, you will see the option Inventory Levels. In our ERP, you will classify your inventory by 6 multiple levels, like I have defined: categories, subcategories. Likewise, you will create your levels, as I am creating new level, name, work in progress. Define it, and click Save option. Now, I will show you where you will get impact, and how to use it. Now, when we will create new item, go into Production tab. As I am creating new item, at that time of creation, I will get an option. As you see, your defined multiple levels of inventory is appearing. Categories, subcategories, work in progress. You will map these according to your item. Map particular name under your inventory level. If you want to add new name, click New and Add. By this, you will make your item inventory more accurate by defining multiple levels. If you want to know how to create new item, please watch our classification of inventory video. We gave brief of creation. In this video, we have shown you the creation of multiple level of inventory. If you want to know more about Absolute ERP, watch our other videos.